Did you see the video about the sound machine exploding in the child's room? Yeah, that actually happened. We are not going to be risking that over here. I don't want to fearmonger. I know that they've recalled some of the devices. I just feel like that's a little too risky and I don't want to take that risk. We've decided to switch to the Nanit light and sound machine. I love this thing. It has a button on the top to turn on and off. You can set different programs in the app. It stays charged, so if you lose power, your sound machine's not going to go out. This is great for children. This would also be great if you're a night worker and you have to sleep during the day. I'm not trying to cancel any companies or fearmonger any parents. I'm just trying to bring awareness to what's going on and sharing my experience that we're going to be switching to a different sound machine. If this is something that you feel like you should do too, it's on sale in the TikTok shop. You can click the orange cart above my name to see if that's something that you'd be interested in too.